So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. So we're moving on to the next topic here. Uber launches new bonuses. Which, speaking of which, you can now use our link below to get a sign-up bonus or guarantee down below in the description box. So look at this. You want to read this one?
Yeah, so Ed Booth says, you know why Uber is offering the diamond bonus, right? Upfront pricing is causing lots of drivers to be selective about what rides they take. So to get you to take the low fare rides, they're trying to convince you to take everything to maintain diamond status and get that bonus. You'd probably make more than that bonus if you cherry picked your rides.
Exactly. So basically, Uber's launching these bonuses, the diamond bonus, but they're making it difficult to do it. So it's almost like a dirty little trick they're doing to get you to take those bad rides to get that bonus.
Not surprised. I don't know. Uber is a little scammy to me.
They're like, oh, take this bonus, but and even who's Eddie? You got Eddie, the Tesla driver?
Yeah.
You know, like we should pull him up since we're talking about him so he can get him some subscribers. Eddie Tesla Uber. So this guy, is that him?
No. Who's that guy?
I don't know. I like his tattoos though. I like those sleeves.
He knows Ronnie.
Wait, what?
He knows Ronnie.
Oh, they're collabing. They literally have like the same setup.
Yeah, it looks the same. Probably like the same camera.
Yeah, no, driving in style, this guy. So Eddie driving in style, he was saying in that interview with you that in order to hit his bonuses, he would have to do Uber Eats orders, $2 orders in order to hit the bonus.
Oh.
Because he would have to do a bunch of Uber Eats trips really fast in order to hit the bonus. So it's like Uber offers these bonuses, but they make it like, so you got to do a bunch of low paying rides in order to hit the bonus.
Yeah.
So pretty nuts. But yeah, shout out to Driving in Style, Batman, Uber Batman. And shout out to Tattoo Guy. J. Eddie. We'll have to have him on the channel too. He looks pretty entertaining. You know what we should do? We should start bringing on people into the live streams.
Yeah.
We could just like pull people in, like.
Yeah, we should do that.
That'd be pretty sick.
Yeah.
Maybe we could bring in Ronnie SBE TV next. Okay.
Well, I can email that guy.
Huh?
I can email this other guy too.
Yeah. Okay, so the next one is we are now talking about how to make $2,000 a week as an Uber and Lyft driver. So, what do you need to do to make $2,000 a week? So, let's look at Eddie really quick. So, this is an Uber driver, guys, who makes $2,000 a week as an Uber driver.
He almost made $3K in a week too.
Where?
The third video.
3,000 a week, yeah. So let's react to this real quick, guys, because if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, it's possible to make $2,000 in a week. And big shout out to Eddie Driving in Style. This guy here, this is peak male. What is it called? Peak male performance.
came here for this concert stuff. It's so good. All right. Let's go for 400 today. All right, let's make this money. All right.
So I want to see his breakdown. Where does he talk about his ride? Does he show his earnings? Here we go. Oh, these are parking passes.
When I do deliveries, what I do is I do X. I just do regular X, and I compensate that for deliveries. So, and then I go back to my Comfort and Premier for $296. I did wake up a little late today, so that's why I could have probably made a lot more. Look at that. All right, let's see how much we make tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think, payday. I think tomorrow's gonna be payday. Let's see what happens. Let's keep making this money.
So basically his strategy is he tries to hit all the bonuses.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah. I think he like you talked to him, right? How much was he driving?
What?
How much was he driving?
I think he said like 10 hours a day.
Yeah, and this is another guy also, guys. So we're talking in this video about all the Uber drivers who make $2,000 a week. There's a lot of them. This is another guy.
Yeah, we're friends with all of them.
Yeah, we're homies with these guys.
Area, of course, man, you look,
Look at that, $300 in one day. On May 3rd. 12 hours, guys. This is the type of time and energy you got to put into this job. You want to achieve financial freedom and make $2,000 a week? Put in the hours. 34 rides in a single day, guys. Don't sleep in. You got to wake up early. Rise and grind. Look at this. If this doesn't motivate you, I don't know what doesn't. What does?
That's all trips. A couple.
You got to get these shades. You gotta drive with snow goggles on, guys. You could drive for $2,000, then hit the slopes after, because that's how good you're gonna be feeling. And the best thing about Uber is you can log in 24/7. You can, if you're feeling motivated at 2 a.m., there will be people who will want to order rides at 2 a.m.
Yeah. Also, technically, you could drive more than 12 hours a day.
How?
If you do 12 hours with Uber and then 12 hours with Lyft.
Yeah, you can do 24 hours a day.
Yeah, 24 hours a day. No sleep, no bathroom breaks, just driving.
Well, you could use a bathroom, but you gotta use a water bottle or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's definitely ways, at least for guys. But like, if you
just keep a bucket in there.
Huh?
Just keep a bucket in your car.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to use a bucket. And I mean, if you have snacks, if you got enough snacks, you know, drink 10, 12 coffees a day. I don't recommend it. Definitely recommend getting sleep though. Sleep at least six hours a night. And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.